Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that Bharat Dynamics Limited and MBDA have signed a licensing agreement to establish a manufacturing facility for the final assembly, integration, and testing of MBDA's advanced short range air to air missile in India. India signed a contract to procure 384 advanced short range air to air missile, which can be used to equip the recently inducted Rafale fighter, Mirage, and Jaguar aircrafts. Not only that, India might place or manufacture more such missiles in India to equip their future aircrafts as well. The advanced short range air to air missile will complement the aging Russian R-73 missiles in service with the Indian Air Force, and also in future it would be replacing them as well. It is also procured mainly to replace the aging Matra Magic R550 short range air to air missiles. Bharat Dynamics Limited plans to manufacture these ASRAM at its Banur unit for domestic needs and also for export in the future through MBDA. Earlier this year, Bharat Dynamics Limited and MBDA UK agreed to establish a facility for the final assembly, integration, and testing of these advanced short-range air-to-air missile in India that is expected to commence operation by year 2022 or 2023 tentatively. As mentioned before, these missiles are very vital for Indian Air Force to equip their fighters. Indian Air Force had acquired these ASRAM missiles for the Jaguar fleet and now has plans to use it as a standard within visual range missile system on other types. It is said that Tejas will be the first fighter to get them after the Jaguar fleet of Indian Air Force. It is good that India's indigenous light combat aircraft Tejas will get these advanced short-range air-to-air missile very soon. These ASRAM will be added to the Tejas aircraft along with the 5th generation Python 5 air-to-air missile of Israel. So that was a small video to update on Indian Air Force plan to equip their Tejas fighters with MBDA's advanced short-range air-to-air missile, which are going to be manufactured or assembled in India. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.